Mahal. So, ganito na lang kami ngayon. Ganito na lang. This is life.
In the Philippines.
In the Philippines. Yep. We don't know what time it is. We don't care.
Whatever.
Whatever. As long as we have sunscreen. The two ladies are there. Malakas kasi ang alon kanina kaya ayaw nila. Natutumba. Our neighbors. 60s, 70s, 80s. Okay, we have 50s, almost 60.
80s cut. 80s.
No! She's 80 years old.
Oh.
Isn't it?
Really?
Yeah.
Grabe, lakas yun.
She's stronger than me. I don't know why.
Oh, yung isa.
I don't know how old is she.
Malapit na rin siguro.
Yung isa naman ay older din. Kaya lang nagja-jogging pa. Nakakatakbo. Eh ako, nakakatakbo ba? Dito sa tubig. Yeah. Okay, I can jump over the water.
Ayaw mo duwag, ako na lang. Mumukmuk pa sa bahay.
Ay, hindi ah. Of course, sasama ako. Wherever you go.